front of me is Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on System. Now select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and the Gboard. Following that, select Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing options are over here. If you want to access them much faster, use this switcher next to Show Suggestion strip if it's not already on. Then launch your keyboard and tap on this gear icon at the top of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!